Viewers, ahead of the Punjab Assembly polls next year, a new headache for the Congress party has started. The internal rift. Team Channi versus Team Waring. It started soon after recent local body polls. While the party performed strongly in areas represented by former Chief Minister Charanjit Singh Channi, the performance of the party in Amrinder Raja Waring's political turf wasn't that great. And this is when Channi faction sensed the opportunity to push for his name for the post of party's chief in Punjab. But the Congress High Command decided to continue with Amrinder Raja Waring as its chief of the Punjab unit. Charanjit Singh Channi, however, was made the chairman of the campaign committee. The appointments have intensified the infighting. Now, Punjab's AICC in charge, Bhupesh Baghel, is in Punjab to meet the leaders there. But Channi camp has decided to come to the national capital to meet the party high command. And we have some breaking inputs coming in amid the speculation over factionalism in Punjab Congress unit. Senior Congress leader Pargat Singh has dismissed reports of a rift within the party. Speaking exclusively to Times Now, Pargat Singh has said there is no division and no groupism in Punjab unit. Listen in.
We have been joined by the senior Punjab Congress leader, Mr. Pargat Singh. So thank you for speaking to Times Now. So we have seen that how there are two different sort of meetings which have taken place yesterday in the state of Punjab. One is when Bhupesh Baghel has met several of the state leaders, whether it is Vijayendra Singla or Dr. Amar Singh. On the other side, there was a kind of a faction which can clearly be seen when Mr. Charanjit Singh Channi and Mr. Sukhjinder Singh Randhawa held a meeting with the state leaders. Can we say that all is well within the state unit or not?
No, everything is fine. There is no any division. There is no any groupism. See, ultimately, difference of opinion is always there, and it is better for the democracy. One thing I wanted to tell you, because nowadays there is no hardly democracy exists in this country, but in Congress party in Punjab, yes, I agree. Sometimes we speak more louder than required. So that is the only thing we have to control it. Otherwise, there is no problem at all.
Niyamika, my colleague, is also live with us. Niyamika, we heard the latest reaction coming is now Cong obviously trying to downplay the reports of factionalism, but it looks like that when it comes to the rift in the Punjab Congress, it's out in the open. Take us through the latest developments, first of all.
Well, yes, indeed, Mr. Pargat Singh has tried to downplay all of these reports of the infighting within the Punjab Congress state unit, but also when it was being asked from him that if he is actually supporting the decision which is being taken by the party high command that there will be no change in the state leadership, to which now Pargat Singh had replied that these things are kept on changing and it completely depends upon the intelligence of the party high command that what kind of decision is needed ahead of the assembly election. That is a very important point which he has made during this conversation exclusively with Times Now. As for that reason, we have already seen that there are two different factions which have been created within the Punjab Congress state unit. On one side, where the state in charge, Mr. Bhupesh Baghel, is having a discussion with the state leaders in Chandigarh itself. There is another faction which includes Mr. Charanjit Singh Channi as well as Mr. Sukhjinder Singh Randhawa, who are not in touch with Mr. Bhupesh Baghel. In fact, it is also being told by the sources within the Congress party that in the yesterday's meeting it was being decided that all of these rebels are going to boycott this particular meeting with Mr. Bhupesh Baghel, and in fact they are also going to try to speak to the party high command regarding this kind of a dissent which is there within the state unit, because they are stating that now the assembly elections are coming in and it is high time that the Congress leadership should realize that they should not continue with Mr. Raja Waring, because the way in which his statements are there in the public, it is going to impact the party's image as well, and that is the only reason why they are demanding that there should be a change in the PCC president post.
Right, and Niyamika, do stay with us. Let's also apprise our viewers to the latest developments in the last few hours. Viewers, what exactly is this Channi versus Waring war? Let's take you through the war of words, all the updates coming in far as the Congress's camp is concerned. Now, what do we know? Let's take a look at this. Infighting is intensifying far as the Punjab Congress is concerned. Now, it is the Congress MP, Mr. Randhawa's power display, a picture which he had posted also, which has fueled speculations even further. Already you have Team Channi, which is in Delhi to meet the High Command and Punjab's AICC in charge, Mr. Baghel, is in Punjab. So you have, a power play which is happening both in Delhi and in Punjab. Now, what is happening with Channi camp? They are reportedly, as we all know, unhappy with Waring as the chief. The confrontation obviously triggered, as we know, by the local body polls, the reject, basically, which had led to this sort of a rift. Now, confrontation, as we were telling you, was triggered by the local body polls. Remember, Cong performed, as they claim, better in the Channi-dominated areas, and which is what has emboldened the Channi camp. Now again, this is the allegation coming in. Cong only wants Muslim to lay carpets. That is the allegation, obviously, which is coming in. The war of words also as is intensifying. Let's listen into what the BJP is saying, because BJP is already using this entire controversy to take pot shots at the Congress party.
देखिए, कांग्रेस में जो अंदरूनी कलेश है पंजाब में, वो हर रोज एक नया स्वरूप लेकर बाहर आ रही है। पहले तिवारी वर्सेस पंजाब कांग्रेस, फिर चन्नी वर्सेस पंजाब कांग्रेस, फिर रंधावा वर्सेस पंजाब कांग्रेस, और अब तो सभी लोग एक साथ आकर राजा वड़िंग को हटाना चाहते हैं। तो हर जगह कांग्रेस पार्टी टुकड़े टुकड़े मोड में है, क्योंकि राहुल गांधी एक अपरिपक्व और असक्षम नेता है।
Okay, my colleague Niyamika is live with us. Niyamika, we heard what the BJP has had to say. Obviously, the entire fiasco within the Congress party has given ammunition to the BJP. But let's talk about the infighting which is intensifying in the Punjab Congress. Take us through what each camp is up to. One, Team Channi, which is in Delhi, and also the Punjab AICC in charge, Mr. Baghel, who is at the moment, I believe, in Punjab. Take us through, activities in both camp, and what exactly is the top brass doing? How are they trying to douse this fire?
The top leadership of the Congress party had given this responsibility to the state in charge, Mr. Bhupesh Baghel, to sort out all of these things which are happening there in the state of Punjab, because now Bhupesh Baghel is there in Chandigarh. He is on a 5-day visit. But interestingly, at the same point in time, there is another faction which is of Mr. Charanjit Singh Channi and Mr. Sukhjinder Singh Randhawa, who are basically trying to boycott this particular meeting with Mr. Bhupesh Baghel because they are not in support of the decision which is being taken by the party high command for no change in the state leadership. There was a continuous demand which was being raised by many of the leaders there that Raja Waring should be removed from the position of the PCC president because now the assembly elections are also coming in, and the kind of statements he has given in the recent past, that is also going to impact the party's performance, in fact the party's image as well in the state of Punjab. But that was not being listened by the party high command, and that is the only reason why this kind of a revolt can be seen within the Punjab Congress state unit. It is also very interesting point that they are also trying to give out this message that there are not just a few leaders who are against Mr. Raja Waring, but there is a huge faction which is being created only after this list was being out in public, when it was being stated that Raja Waring will continue for the on the post of the PCC president, and that is the only reason why they are also trying to portray this message that not just the Dalit community but even Jat Sikh are also very much against Raja Waring, and that is the only reason why there was a post which Charanjit Singh Channi had made on social media, in which he had put out that image, in fact a proper video of the meeting which had taken place at his residence, with the caption of "Unity is strength." So basically he is trying to portray that there is unity within the Punjab Congress state unit, but the only problem, the only issue is with Raja Waring, and that is the only reason why they are also trying to seek appointment from the party high command to meet the top leadership of the Congress party and to convey this message.
End of
that
the
it is
day,
very
can the so-called top brass of the Congress party, can they end the Punjab power games? What happens next far as the divisions, the infighting in Punjab Congress is concerned? We'll have to wait and watch. A lot of fast-paced developments lined up through the course of the day today. Niyamika, we will keep coming back to you. Viewers